Chlorine, the elemental purifier. Welcome to an exploration of the periodic table, where each element tells a unique story. Today, our focus is on chlorine, a powerful and essential element that serves as nature's purifier and plays a critical role in various aspects of our daily lives. An overview of chlorine. Meet chlorine, symbol Cl, a halogen with an atomic number of 17. Known for its distinctive greenish-yellow color and sharp odor, chlorine is a dynamic element that has earned its place as a purifying force in the natural world and human applications. Chlorine is reflected in its composition, with 17 protons, 18 neutrons, and 17 electrons. This arrangement gives chlorine its distinct properties, making it a potent player in various chemical reactions and applications. Join us as we delve into chlorine's multifaceted role in nature and industry. Chlorine in nature. Abundant in nature, chlorine is a natural disinfectant. It is found in salt deposits, ocean water, and even in certain minerals. The most common compound, sodium chloride, is a fundamental component of our diet. Chlorine cycles through ecosystems, participating in biological processes that contribute to the balance of life. Chlorine in water treatment. Chlorine's purifying prowess extends to water treatment. As a disinfectant, it plays a crucial role in ensuring that the water we consume is safe from harmful microorganisms, preventing waterborne diseases. The introduction of chlorine to water systems has been a landmark advancement in public health, significantly reducing the spread of waterborne illnesses. Chlorine in pharmaceuticals. In the realm of medicine, chlorine finds its way into pharmaceuticals. It is a vital ingredient in the synthesis of various medications, playing a role in the development of antibiotics, antiseptics, and other therapeutic compounds. Chlorine's antimicrobial properties contribute to the formulation of medicines that combat infections and enhance human health. Chlorine in PVC production. Chlorine's industrial applications include its role in the production of polyvinyl chloride, PVC, a versatile plastic widely used in construction, piping, and various consumer products. The incorporation of chlorine in PVC enhances its durability and resilience, making it an essential material in modern construction and infrastructure. Chlorine in chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs. Chlorine's historical association with chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, highlights the importance of understanding its environmental impact. While once widely used in refrigeration and aerosol propellants, the ozone-depleting potential of CFCs led to international efforts to phase them out. This example underscores the delicate balance between technological advancement and environmental responsibility. Our exploration of chlorine's role as a purifying agent in water treatment, industry, and medicine reveals its multifaceted contributions. From safeguarding public health to enhancing industrial processes, chlorine stands as an elemental guardian in our daily lives. Join us for more talks about chemical elements.